In this video, I'm going to talk about can another me exist. When thinking about another you, what can you think of? A parallel universe? Perhaps a twin? Maybe a clone? Clones have been a pretty big issue in current time, and I'm here to clarify a few topics. Twins are what we call natural clones stem from the same egg. A clone is an identical copy of organisms such as plant, animal, bacteria, and more. There are some misunderstandings about what forms a clone. A clone of human would be the identical twin of person who provided the nucleus. But because humans are formed with stuff more than their genes, a clone would have its own personality, character, intelligence, and talents exactly as identical twins do. Right now, it's impossible with current technology to clone a person's brain or mind, and chance factors, the environment, and a person's experiences contributing to its individual traits. Clones can have same outlooks as real humans, but they don't have the same memory unless they were exposed to the same things at the same time. This works for their personality too. Depending on the environment that you have lived, your character can be changed. According to Dr. Brianna at New York University, even identical twins have different personality. After birth, all twins keep marching down their own development path. Everything from diet to lifestyle choices can trigger changes in how their genes are expressed. In other words, twins are not identical as some would like to believe. It's pretty much impossible for your clone and you to live at the same time. Clones are not generated in a few days or months. In some movies or animations, they seem to make multiple clones in a short time, but believe me, that's far from the truth. In fact, in order to make a clone, scientists have to extract the DNA from a human being and foster it. The process of development is exactly the same as the growth of normal humans. Unless your parents start to make the clone while you're in your mom's womb, the clone cannot be identical to yourself unless you want an infant as a clone. Lastly, with the current technology, not all the clones have the same organs as a real human do. According to the study at the National Veterinary Institute at the Technical University of Denmark, shows that pig clones have different responsible from non-clones. Also, even though the donor pig doesn't have high blood pressure nor respiratory disease, these diseases often occur to cloned pigs. With all these reasons, another you can simply not exist. If you hear from one of your friends saying that he or she wants to have a clone do all the dirty work, pound the cold hard truth of real cloning inside their mind and toss the fiction out. Thank you for paying attention until the end of this video.